Friends, welcome to the channel Jago Students. In this video, I shall discuss capital and currency of some countries. They are very important for competitive exams. So let's start. Country Afghanistan, capital is Kabul, currency Afghani. Next, Algeria, capital is Algiers, currency Algerian dinar. Next, Argentina, capital Buenos Aires, currency peso. Then country is Australia, capital Canberra, currency Australian dollar. Country Austria, capital Vienna, currency euro. Country Azerbaijan, capital is Baku, currency manat. Bangladesh, capital is Dhaka and the currency of Bangladesh is taka. The capital of Belgium is Brussels. The currency of Belgium is euro. What is the capital of Bhutan? Thimphu is the capital of Bhutan and currency of Bhutan is Ngaltram. Brazil, capital Brasilia, currency real, REAL, real. Cambodia, capital of Cambodia is Phnom Penh, currency of Cambodia is real, RIEL. Canada, capital Ottawa, currency Canadian dollar. Chile, capital of Chile is Santiago, currency of Chile is peso. Country China, capital Beijing, currency renminbi. Colombia, capital of Colombia is Bogota, currency of Colombia Colombian peso. Country Costa Rica, capital San Jose, currency Costa Rican colon. Next country Croatia, capital is Zagreb, currency kuna. Country Cuba, capital Havana, currency Cuban peso. Country Czech Republic, capital Prague, currency koruna. Country Denmark, capital Copenhagen, currency Danish krone. The capital of Egypt is Cairo and the currency is Egyptian pound. The capital of Ethiopia is Addis Ababa, currency of Ethiopia BID, BIRR. The capital of Finland is Helsinki and the currency is euro. Country France, capital Paris, currency euro. The capital of Germany is Berlin and the currency of Germany is euro. Greece, capital is Athens and the currency of Greece is euro. Hungary, capital of Hungary is Budapest and the currency of Hungary is forint. Country India, capital New Delhi, currency is rupee. Country Indonesia, capital is Jakarta, currency of Indonesia is rupiah. Country Iran, capital Tehran, currency is rial. The capital of Iraq is Baghdad and the currency of Iraq is Iraqi dinar. Ireland, capital Dublin, currency is euro. Country Israel, capital Jerusalem, currency shekel. Italy, capital is Rome, currency euro. Japan, capital is Tokyo, currency yen. Kazakhstan, capital Nur Sultan, currency tenge. Country Kenya, capital Nairobi, currency shilling. North Korea, capital Pyongyang, currency won. South Korea, capital Seoul, currency won. Lebanon, capital is Beirut, currency Lebanese pound. Malaysia, capital is Kuala Lumpur, currency ringgit. Capital of Maldives is Mel, currency of Maldives rupiah. Mongolia, capital is Ulaanbaatar, currency Tughrik. Morocco, capital Rabat, currency dirham. Mozambique, capital is Maputo, currency metical. Myanmar, capital Naypyidaw, currency kyat. Nepal, capital is Kathmandu, currency is Nepalese rupee. Netherlands, capital of Netherlands is Amsterdam and currency of Netherlands euro. Country New Zealand, capital of New Zealand is Wellington, currency of New Zealand New Zealand dollar. Country Nigeria, capital of Nigeria is Abuja, currency of Nigeria is naira. Norway, capital of Norway is Oslo, currency of Norway is Norwegian krone. Philippines, capital of Philippines is Manila, currency of Philippines peso. Country Poland, capital Warsaw, currency Loti. Pakistan, capital is Islamabad, currency Pakistan rupee. Qatar, capital of Qatar is Doha, currency of Qatar is rial. Russia, capital of Russia is Moscow, currency of Russia is ruble. Saudi Arabia, capital is Riyadh, currency is rial. Country Somalia, capital is Mogadishu, currency Somali shilling. Country Spain, capital is Madrid, currency euro. Country Sri Lanka, capital Colombo, currency Sri Lankan rupee. Country Sweden. Capital of Sweden is Stockholm. Currency is krona. Country Syria. Capital is Damascus. Currency of Syria is Syrian pound. Country Tajikistan. Capital is Dushanbe. Currency Somoni. Country Thailand. Capital of Thailand is Bangkok and the currency of Thailand is baht. Country Turkey. Capital of Turkey is Ankara. Currency of Turkey Turkish lira. United Arab Emirates. Capital is Abu Dhabi. Currency is dirham. Country USA. United States of America. Capital is Washington DC. Currency dollar. Country Uzbekistan. Capital is Tashkent. Currency som. Country Venezuela. Capital is Caracas. Currency Bolivar. Country Vietnam. Capital is Hanoi. Currency dong. Yemen. Capital of Yemen is Sana'a. Currency of Yemen is Rial. Zimbabwe. Capital is Harare. Currency Zimbabwe dollar. Country Zambia. Capital Lusaka. Currency Wacha. Thank you. Please like the video, share and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get further notifications from this channel. Thank you.